Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you can't connect with your Bluetooth to some device with your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your Bluetooth, just open it, just try to turn it off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. So just simple restore your Bluetooth adapter. So after, if it doesn't connect again, so just choose device you want to connect from here, from devices, just tap on it and just choose forget this device. So just forget this device, turn off Bluetooth, wait a few seconds, just turn on, and just pair these two devices again. So just tap on this device here and just connect again to your device. So if it doesn't help you to, just go to the general, just find in the general software update, so just open it. Now just wait until it will check for update, and if you have available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And if you still have this issue, so just scroll down in the general, under you will see shutdown, so just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you too, you just need to go to the general again, and in the general just scroll down to reset, just tap on reset and just reset network settings. So just tap on this option. So I hope that it will help you. And the latest way you can try, just make force restart on your phone. So now it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So iPhone with Face ID. If you have these devices, just tap on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So after, you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.